Here's a 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Beautiful blue color. White racing stripes. Call this a very nice driver quality car. Sitting underneath the hood, 454 crate engine from General Motors Performance Parts. It's equipped with power steering, power brakes. See, it's riding in the nice rally wheels. Give the Chevelle a great look. It's kind of a deep blue color. It comes across on the video and the picture is pretty true to what it is. As you can see, it's got a nice luster to it too, with the reflection of the signs in the ceiling. That 454 is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Center console, buckets, horseshoe shifter in there. We'll fire up here in a second. We'll get around to the other side. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, the underside of this car is very nice also. You can check out the still pictures, trunk, engine, underside, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll see the bumper and bright work on this car is nice. Like I said, I consider it a nice driver quality car. You could take it to cruise-ins, you could show it, a little bit of everything. I'm gonna go ahead, you can see how straight it is too. Pretty darn straight car. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. We'll check out the interior a little bit. Door cards, carpeting, bucket seats, nice shape. Check out the vinyl in the rear. Aftermarket stereo has been installed in it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice starting and running car. Don't even pump it, just turn it, it goes. It was obviously originally an AC car. There's the stereo install. So nicely the door closes. Get a little bit of rumble back here, you can hear it. So 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. You saw the SS on the rear, not being represented as a true SS. 454 crate, turbo 400 automatic transmission paired with a power steering, power brakes. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out any of the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.